Being a woman on the go is no easy feat. Juggling careers, families, social lives, and self-care often leaves little room for prioritizing weight loss. But fret not, fellow busy bee. These 14 practical tips will equip you to shed pounds and achieve your health goals. Weight loss tips for busy women style. 1. Ditch the all-or-nothing mindset. Perfectionism might be your jam at work, but it doesn't translate well to weight loss. Forget cheat days and embrace flexible progress. A missed workout or an indulgent dinner doesn't derail your journey. Just get back on track the next day. Weight loss tips for busy women are all about sustainable habits, not rigid rules. 2. Planning is power. Time is gold, so plan your meals and snacks in advance. Batch cook healthy dishes on weekends, portion them out, and grab and go during hectic days. Grocery shop with a list to avoid impulse buys. This simple weight loss tip for busy women saves time, money, and waistline woes. 3. Snack smart. Outsmart unhealthy cravings with mindful munching. Pack protein-rich snacks like nuts, yogurt, or hard-boiled eggs to keep you satiated between meals. Ditch sugary treats and opt for fruits, veggies, or homemade trail mix. Remember, weight loss tips for busy women are all about making small, smart choices throughout the day. Hydration is key for weight loss and overall health. Carry a reusable water bottle and sip regularly throughout the day. Aim for 8 glasses, but even small increases can make a difference. This weight loss tip for busy women is simple, effective, and completely free. Starting your day with a balanced breakfast kick starts your metabolism and fuels you for the day ahead. Scrambled eggs with veggies, Greek yogurt with berries, or whole wheat toast with avocado are all excellent options. Remember, weight loss tips for busy women prioritize nourishing your body, not depriving it. You don't need hours at the gym to see results. Take the stairs instead of the elevator, park farther away, or do lunges while brushing your teeth. Every bit of activity counts. This weight loss tip for busy women encourages you to find creative ways to move your body throughout the day. Exercise shouldn't feel like a chore. Discover activities you genuinely enjoy, whether it's dancing in your living room, joining a Zumba class, or exploring nature with a brisk walk. When exercise is fun, you're more likely to stick with it. Remember, weight loss tips for busy women are all about making health sustainable and enjoyable. When you're sleep deprived, your body craves unhealthy comfort foods and struggles to regulate hormones that impact weight. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. This weight loss tip for busy women requires prioritizing rest, which ultimately fuels your productivity and well-being. Even healthy foods can derail your goals if consumed in excess. Use smaller plates, measure ingredients, and listen to your body's hunger cues. Weight loss tips for busy women emphasize mindful eating, not restrictive dieting. Knowledge is power. Understanding ingredients and portion sizes helps you make informed choices. Ditch sugary drinks and processed foods loaded with hidden calories. This weight loss tip for busy women empowers you to take control of your food choices. Share your goals with supportive friends, family, or a virtual community. Their encouragement and understanding can be invaluable. Consider joining a weight loss group or seeking guidance from a registered dietitian for personalized support. Remember, weight loss tips for busy women are more effective with a supportive network. Weight loss isn't just about the number on the scale. Celebrate increased energy, improved sleep, stronger muscles, and better fitting clothes. These victories reinforce your progress and fuel your motivation. Remember, weight loss tips for busy women encourage holistic well-being, not just weight loss. Chronic stress triggers cortisol release, a hormone linked to weight gain. Practice stress-busting techniques like yoga, meditation, or deep breathing. Prioritize activities that bring you joy and relaxation. Remember, weight loss tips for busy women emphasize self-care as a crucial element of weight management. We all have setbacks. Don't dwell on missed workouts or indulgences. Forgive yourself, learn from the experience, and get back on track the next day. Remember, weight loss tips for busy women are about progress, not perfection. Celebrate small wins, acknowledge challenges, and keep moving forward with kindness and self-compassion. Remember, you are not alone. Millions of women juggle busy lives and strive for healthier lifestyles. Embrace these weight loss tips for busy women, personalize them to fit your unique needs, and celebrate your journey towards a happier, healthier you. Most importantly, have fun, experiment, and find what works for you. This is your journey, and you've got this. Bonus tip: technology can be your friend. Utilize fitness apps to track your progress, online resources for healthy recipes, and meditation apps to manage stress. Remember, weight loss tips for busy women are all about embracing tools that empower and support your goals. With these powerful tips in your arsenal, you can achieve your weight loss goals without sacrificing your precious time or sanity. Remember, it's not about drastic changes, but about sustainable habits and small, consistent steps. Believe in yourself, embrace the journey, and start conquering your health goals today. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, and share. Hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for new updates.